Hey guys and gals, sweet project cars here with cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer and simple ways. Very simple, very easy to do. Now this spot you're looking at right here, not only, as you can tell, if you look at it, this has black spots right here and then this center black spot. A rim was painted by one of my extremely smart past employees right on the floor. So it looks horrible. And the rest of this stuff you see is all tar. Somebody spilled some undercoating down here, and as you see, it is not good looking. So I'm going to share with you how to get driveway stains out of your driveway from oil, whatever it may be that's in your driveway or on your garage floor. Very simple process. You take your secret concoction. It's not secret, I'm just kidding you. All the products will be in the show more of the video description. Take it and you spray it on. We're going to do it over the paint as well. You take your wire brush and you just go over it like this. Very simple. Do it again. Now watch. Now when that dries, it'll dry nice and white. Clean. Just like that. Now, another great thing you can do when you have this stain like this, say that you really want to get it clean, you spray your cleaner on again, and you take a little floor dry. Take that, take your floor dry. Watch this. That oil spot that your neighbor left in your driveway, or you did yourself, or your wife did, or whoever you want to blame, whoever you want to blame it on, it's gone. Now we have a little spot right here, and that has been there for a long time. Can't tell if it's a burn spot, but we're going to put a little cleaner on it just to see if we can get rid of that as well. Gone. Now let's see how clean we can really get this, just for the fun of it. Now we're talking undercoating on this floor and paint that's been here for a long time. Beautiful.